Morning children. So today I am going to teach class 3 English language grammar. So third lesson number 3, possessive. The pronunciation is possessive. Okay. So dear children, before going to know, we should know what is possessive. So dear children, it belongs to us or belongs to someone. So it is related to me or related to the other person. So it possesses. Okay, for example, see, if you see example I am giving you. So possession or ownership. So it is yours own or others. So it shows. Okay. So now for example, if you see Ravi's dress is red. So dear children, so Ravi's dress is red. See, you see the Ravi is a singular here. So after a noun form, we have kept apostrophe s. The main thing is here in this lesson we are discussing about apostrophe. Here see apostrophe. Don't think that this is not line anything. This is apostrophe. If the noun is singular, after the name only, though we will keep the apostrophe. Apostrophe. After apostrophe we will write s. Okay, see, Ravi's dress is red. Ravi's dress is red. So because of Ravi is a singular. Ravi is a singular. So singular. So that's what after Ravi only, after name only. So upside what came apostrophe is there. So yes. Okay. So Ravi's dress is red. Okay. Now you see. So same meaning, same line, but we will write in possessive. Okay, possessive red. You see, if you see here, the dress of Ravi is red. The dress of Ravi is red. So dear children, now if you see, the dress of Ravi is red. So here no apostrophe. So because of it is a possessive. So we are talking about Ravi. So here the dress of Ravi is red. Okay. So here apostrophe s is there, here no apostrophe. So the dress of Ravi is red. So we have another example. Now you see Lata's car. Okay, now let us discuss about Lata's car. Okay. So now you see second example, Lata's car. So Lata's car. Now if you see, so car of Lata. Now you see car of Lata. Now you see car of Lata. So here no apostrophe because of here also same. So Lata is the only one singular. So we are writing. So apostrophe after Lata. Here you see after Lata. So apostrophe. Then after we are writing yes. It's a very important. Okay. Now you see next you see. Now you see this one. This is a singular. Now you see. Now we discuss about the plural. So this is a singular. Both those things are singulars. Singular possessives. Now we will discuss plural possessive. The parents' room. The parents' room. Okay, the parents' room. So dear children, the parents' room. Here see parents, if you see here, parents is a plural. So parent. See parent, if we write here parents. So parents is a plural. So after S only we are writing apostrophe. So we are telling the parents' room. The parents' room. We should remember here plural form. So plural form after whenever we write in the plural way, in the possessive way. So after writing S only we should write apostrophe. But singular you see after writing the noun, after writing the name only, immediately we keep yes here. After that only we write yes. We write yes. Here see parents. So parents. So here it is if you see yes here. Not here. Here it is no yes. Here it is no apostrophe. So completely writing of parents plural form. Then we are writing apostrophe yes here. So dear children. So we have the another example. The children's bedroom. The same thing. The children's bedroom. The children's bedroom. Okay, no. So dear children, the children's bedroom. So the bedroom is belongs to the children, na? So we say normally we think children's bedroom. So dear children, here children you take, the children is actually plural form. Children is a plural form. You see, so we are writing N here, apostrophe here. Already here it is already plural form. Child is a singular. Child is a singular. When you write children in the normally when we are learning it is a children. So now we are apostrophe yes. Already here it is same see parents. Okay, parents. After that only we are writing completely parents we write. So parents when you write parents only we call it as a plural. Here also children already it is plural form. So complete the children is a plural form. So apostrophe yes. Okay, so like this. Okay, so dear children, so this is the say Ravi's dress is red. The dress of Ravi is red. Okay, the Lata's car of Lata. You see singular nouns. Okay, the parents' room. So parents are plural. After writing the parents completely, it is a plural form. This singular, this is plural. So parents' room. So completely writing of parents. Yes. Here also children's. So writing completely now for yes. Okay, children. So this is what. So now let us go to the this one. Some more exercises. Okay. So dear children, now you see number 1. Latika's new shoes are red. So Latika is a here singular. Here you see Latika is a. Here if you see Latikas they have given. Latikas. Okay. Latikas they have given. You see after noun, so Latikas. You see when the singular noun comes, so immediately the singular noun, when the singular noun comes, immediately we keep apostrophe. Then after that only yes. Apostrophe yes. Singular. Okay. So now we have the new shoes of Latika are red. Okay, the new shoes of Latika are red. So dear children, second one. So we everything we will think and write now. Okay. So now you see second one. These are the students' book. These are the students' book. But the answer is these are books of the students. Of the students. So dear children, so these are books. These are books of the student. So one student is having many books. So one student is having many books. So dear children, we should understand first one thing. So students, okay, these are the students' books. So it gives same meaning without changing the meaning. Okay, we are making the possessive sentence. So students, but we should not think here students is a students they have given. Okay, students they have given. So without changing the meaning, we are making it to the possessive. So you see student, you see. So student is a singular. So student is a singular. So student is a singular. So after writing student only we are keeping apostrophe. So it is a singular. So here you see student. So this is the only possessive sentence we are writing. Without changing the meaning, we are writing possessive sentence. So just I am only writing answer. You see, this is okay. Question is there. Answer this one. Okay. These are books of the student. Okay. So without changing the meaning, we are writing. Okay. Now you see. Third one you see. The girls' frocks are grey. The girls' frocks are grey. So dear children, if you see third one, the girls' frocks are grey. So girls they have given, you see now, girls they have given. So G-I, so girls they have apostrophes. So because of here, if you see, girls is a plural. So the girls' frocks are grey. So there are many girls. There is not only one girl. So girls. Okay, many girls are wearing the frocks. Their frocks are grey in color. So the girls' frocks are grey. So many girls are wearing grey colors frock. So now we will write. So here also, here you see girls. So girl is a singular. Now girls see plural form. After writing plural form, apostrophe we keep. Okay. Now you see. The frocks of girls are grey. So here writing it without, here no apostrophe. So we are writing in possessive sentence. Okay. So in the question apostrophe is there. In possessive way, whenever we write in possessive way, no apostrophe will come. Without changing the meaning, we are writing. Okay, now you see the number 4. Number 4 you see. The hyena's laugh is scary. The hyena's laugh is scary. The laugh of hyena is scary. You see. The laugh of hyena is scary. So dear children, here is the laugh of hyena is scary. Okay. So here is no apostrophe. Without writing apostrophe, we are writing in possessive sentence. Okay, possessive sentence. Okay. Now you see the school's emblem is white, yellow and royal blue. See now you see schools. Okay, the school also only one singular. Okay, here it is no plural form. Okay. What they have given? They have given school. Apostrophe is. So singular form. Okay. The emblem of the school is white, yellow and royal blue. Okay. The emblem of the school is white, yellow and blue. So dear children, emblem the school emblem of the emblem of the school is white, yellow and blue. Charger. I have lost the phone charger. Phones. They have given here phones. You see. You see. I have lost the charger of my phone. So dear children, everything is answers I have written. So please note this down. Okay. So this is the main thing, possession and the ownership, which is belongs to us. Okay, which is, for example, I have a car. The car is belongs to me. So I am the owner of the car. So dear children, please you must write it down in your copy. Okay. Note this this down, okay? Write it in your copy. Okay, everything you write it in your copy. Okay. So thank you so much. Next class again we will meet with some more examples. So you will understand them more clearly. Thank you.